Hi, in this video we will see how to manage your domains and how to update DNS records for your domains. Let's go into the video. Search SeekaHost India in your browser and click on SeekaHost page. After entering into the SeekaHost, click on Login option. Here enter your login access and click on Login. After entering into the client area, click Domain section. Here you can see list of your domains. Kindly click on Manage option on your domain. Starting, it will show your domain overview page. Here you can see domain status, registration date and next due date and domain purchasing histories. In auto renew, you can manage your domain auto renew schedule. If you don't want to auto renew, kindly disable it. If you want to renew your domain automatically, kindly enable the option. Next, we will see how to update custom name server details. Go to NameServer option. There you can see use default name servers and use custom name servers. Click on custom name servers and enter your hosting provider custom name server details and click save changes. Here I am entering SeekaHost India custom name server details and click change name server. It will save your custom name server details. Next, we will see how to update private name server details. Just go to private name server option. Here you can enter your NS1 details and enter your IP address and click save changes. Do the same for NS2. Just enter NS2 and enter IP address and click save changes. Here you can also modify your IP address. Enter your current IP address and enter your new IP address and click save changes. It will change your IP address. Even if you want to delete, you can delete the name server. Enter NS1 and click save changes and enter NS2 and click save changes. Next, update the private name server option in name server section. Just enter your private name server details and click save changes. Next, Registrar lock. In this Registrar lock, it will help you to prevent your domain transfer. Enable the Registrar lock and prevent your domain transfer. Add-ons. In this add-on option, you can see domain ID protection and DNS host account management. If you forgot to update the ID protection while purchasing the order, you can enable it here again. Also, DNS host account management, you can click on order option and it will take you to purchase DNS account management. Here you can click buy now option. It will create invoice automatically and it will mark paid. Just go to the domain again and click on domain manage section and check DNS management whether it is enabled or not. Again, go to add-ons. There you can see manage the DNS management and disable the DNS records. Contact information. Here you can see who is contact information details. If you want to update the existing account details, you can choose existing data and enter changes. If you want to update custom information, just update the below details and click save changes. Next, DNS management. Before entering into DNS management, your name server should be default name server. The default name server is ns1.systemdns, ns2 and ns3 and click save changes. Just go to DNS records. Here we will see how to update a record. In this host name, it will take automatically domain name, so you no need to update anything inside the host name. Just update your IP address and click on save changes. How to update MX records? Here is the same. Select MX record and enter into your details and enter priority and click save changes. Next, how to update CName record? Select CName record and enter your host name and enter your address and click save changes. Next, how to update TXT record? Click on TXT record and update your records and click save changes. Next, how to update DKIM record? Do the same, just select TXT record and enter your DKIM host names and enter your address details and click Save Changes. DKIM record keygen should be 1024. Next, how to update URL redirect. Select URL redirect and enter your domain where you want to redirect. Here, enter your subdomain for redirecting and click Save Changes. Next, we will see how to frame the URL. Just select URL frame and enter your subdomain which you want to frame. Enter your main domain, click Save Changes. Generate EPP code. Here, generate your EPP code for your domain transfer. Renew your domain. In Actions, click Renew Domain. There you can select your domain renewal years and click on Add to Cart. Once the cart is added, kindly click Checkout and renew your domain. That's it. Kindly like it, comment it and share it. For more informative videos, kindly subscribe our channel.